Welcome to How To Guide Tech. Today we're covering how to add overlays and images in DaVinci Resolve. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create professional picture-in-picture effects and transparent graphics for your videos. Whether you're adding a webcam feed to your tutorials or incorporating branded graphics into your content, overlays are essential for modern video production. The good news is that DaVinci Resolve makes this process surprisingly straightforward once you know the right steps. First, we need to access Edit mode. Navigate to the bottom of your screen and select the third tab from the left. This switches you from the media page to the Edit workspace where we'll do our overlay work. Now we'll add an image overlay to our timeline. Locate your image in the Media Pool panel, then drag it directly onto your main video track. The system will automatically place your image on the track above your base video, creating the foundation for your overlay effect. If you can't see Media Pool, you can turn it on in the upper menu. With your image selected, navigate to the inspector panel on the right side of your screen. In the transform section, you can modify the zoom value to scale your image proportionally or unlink the X and Y coordinates for custom dimensions. Simply click and drag the values left or right to resize in real time, giving you precise control over your overlay size. For positioning, use the position controls to move your image overlay anywhere on screen. Whether you need it in the top right corner for branding, bottom left for logos, or anywhere in between, just adjust those position values by clicking and dragging. Here's a professional tip for image overlays. Adjust the opacity to around 75 to 85%. This creates a more integrated look that appears intentional rather than simply placed on top of your footage. Now let's cover video overlays, which work similarly but with one crucial additional step. Drag your video clip from the media pool onto your main video track, just like we did with the image. The video will automatically go to the track above your base footage. If your video overlay appears with a black background, this is completely normal and easily fixable. Select your video overlay clip, then navigate to the inspector panel. Find the composite section and locate the composite mode dropdown, which should currently be set to normal. Change this setting to add, and you'll see that black background disappear instantly, creating the transparent effect you're looking for. Just like with image overlays, you can adjust the size using the transform section zoom controls and position your video overlay anywhere on screen using the position values. The same opacity recommendations apply here as well, with 75 to 85% typically providing the most professional appearance. That's how you add overlays in DaVinci Resolve. You now have the knowledge to create picture-in-picture effects, transparent graphics, and professional overlay compositions without the usual trial and error. If this tutorial helped streamline your workflow, consider subscribing to How To Guide Tech for more practical video editing solutions that save you time and frustration.